Hello and welcome back to the CDX Technologies channel. Today we're excited to introduce a brand new geocoding feature for CDXZipStream called CDXLocateGoogle. This new function harnesses the power of Google Maps API, giving you advanced forward and reverse geocoding capabilities, all within Microsoft Excel. CDXLocateGoogle allows you to do two major things. Forward geocoding. Get latitude and longitude coordinates from a specific address. Reverse geocoding. Retrieve the best match address from latitude and longitude coordinates. You can also pull additional information, like zip code and county, directly from the Google Maps API. This feature is available in the CDXZipStream router version or higher, and can also be evaluated in the free CDXZipStream demo. Let's now start Microsoft Excel and see how we can use this new feature. We've already installed CDXZipStream version 6, which you can see now in Excel's top-level menu. To access any CDXZipStream function, just right-click on a blank cell, choose CDXZipStream Functions, and then select the desired formula. In this case, we'll choose CDXLocateGoogle. You'll notice this dialog is almost identical to our previous geocoding functions for here or Bing. You can enter a full address in one field or split it into street, city, state, and postal code in the multi-line address format. In the Return Data drop-down, you can select the specific piece of information you want back, such as latitude, longitude, best match, postal code, or county. Let's try forward geocoding an address to West Hanover Avenue, Randolph, New Jersey. We'll first enter the address in the single line address field. Then in the Return Data field, we'll select latitude. Then simply click OK. Excel automatically enters the formula and returns latitude from the Google Maps API. To get longitude, simply copy the formula. We'll put it in cell D4 and then change the Return Data field from 1 to 2. And this will return longitude. Now let's do reverse geocoding. We'll select a blank cell and then open the CDXLocateGoogle function. We'll choose the multi-column format, and then we'll reference the cells which contain latitude and longitude. And we'll select best match from the Return Data field, and then simply press OK. Excel returns the original address as we expected. Let's now look at another use case for this feature. I've added a new worksheet and copied in a list of addresses which do not have the required zip code. Let's see how CDXLocateGoogle can be used to do this. To start, we'll select the first row in a blank column next to our data. Then we'll open the CDXLocateGoogle function. We'll choose multi-line address, and then we'll enter the references for the street, city, and state. In the Return Data field, we'll make sure that zip code is selected and that auto copy is turned on and set to text, and then simply click OK. CDXZipStream automatically fills in the zip codes, including zip+4 for each address. Setting the formulas to text prevents additional requests from being made if you sort or filter your list. You can also manually copy down formulas if you prefer by disabling the autocopy function. On a new worksheet, let's now take a look at how CDXLocateGoogle can embed a static Google Map image directly in Excel. Let's start the CDXLocateGoogle dialog as we have done before. We'll now select Insert Location Map in the Return Data dialog, and then simply enter our address. Then press OK. A map image of the location appears right in Excel. For existing CDXZipStream users, CDXLocateGoogle is included if you purchased a CDXZipStream license within the last year, or if you have an active data maintenance subscription. To enable it, download and install the CDXZipStream version 6 demo and then reactivate through the account button in the CDXZipStream menu. If you don't reactivate, you won't get full access to the new feature. This won't affect the number of computers on which you can install CDXZipStream. If your maintenance plan isn't current, you can still try Google Geocoding, but you will have a limited number of requests per Excel session. Renew or purchase a maintenance plan on your CDX Technologies online account to get unlimited access. To use CDXLocateGoogle, you'll need to get a Google API key. Visit console.cloud.google.com to create one. Once you have it, simply enter the key in the CDXZipStream menu under Settings, or in the Google API settings within the function dialogues. For more details or to download the CDXZipStream version 6 demo, visit our website at www.cdxzipstream.com. You'll find example templates, technical documentation, and more. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us at support@cdxtech.com. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more tutorials and product updates from CDX Technologies, consider subscribing to our YouTube channel and turning on notifications. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.